oo, Marian, sa project na to?
Well, parang walang dahilan para mag-go ako for this project kasi parang napaka-offbeat niya para sa akin. Yes.
What do you mean offbeat?
Well, ang character ko dito ay mistress. So, first time ko gagawin ito and of course, journalist ako dito. So, first time ko din gagawin. Kaya sabi ko, why not trying something new for me? And I think this is a good project for me.
I love
Yeah.
that. And Direk Dom, of course, napao ka rin dito. What are you excited to bring out of your actors? And what a lineup of actors, ha?
Yeah, pero kasi si Marian, tagal ko na hindi nakakatrabaho eh. So sobra akong gusto ko nang makatrabaho ulit si Marian kasi puro ding-dong. So si Marian naman, at saka to add pala to what Marian said, ang role na dito, she's the mistress of the President of the Philippines. So,
And yung premise, tsaka very intriguing. Oo, nabitawan na natin yung premise.
kaya dapat sinabi.
But it's okay. At least, very intriguing siya kasi di ba, ano bang nangyayari behind closed doors?
Exactly.
So yun ang dapat nila kabangan.
Open to interpretation, but we're gonna leave it there because